Hi guys, for some reason I'm so excited to make this video. So this video is for everyone who has and anyone who hasn't gotten involved in the crypto market. But before we go further with the video, as you can see here, this is my channel page on YouTube and we are at 73 subscribers and I'm so grateful for this number. But I want anyone that has not subscribed yet to give this channel a subscription. So basically, if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please do. I'm asking. It is said if you do not ask, it will not be given. So please subscribe to the channel and come back to this channel if you want to like make more money with your smartphone in the easiest of ways. So let's get started with the video for today. So I'm going to be heading to a website. So just hang on with me. So guys, this is coin market cap, and in today's video I want to be talking specifically on the meme coins. So basically, if you're crypto savvy, you know that we are currently in a bull run, and this is like the perfect time for money making in the crypto space. So basically, the boom started some while ago, but it's not too late for you to get started investing in the crypto market. And with meme coins are a lot safer to start with. So basically, if you have no idea of cryptocurrency or any crypto investment, you should look into meme coins. Now, before I get fully into the video, I'm going to say that I am not a financial advisor or anything like that. I'm just giving my views. Okay, so this basically this video, and I didn't know I was going to be making a video like this. So I'm much more familiar with the forex market, and when I started this YouTube channel, I was like, I'm not going to make any video related to forex or anything like crypto, anything like that. But for the purpose of the massive opportunity in this crypto space right now, I just want to make a simple video that anyone can understand and implement what I'm saying in this video if you find it to be realistic, right? So today's video I'm going to be talking about meme coins, and meme coins have been doing really well. I'm going to be giving you sub coins that are like less likely to get into trouble, coins that are not as big as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Theta, or Theta is basically Solana, all that, but much more sub coins. And I'm going to be talking about a few of these coins that has a lot of potential to keep going up with the bull run and all that. So stick to this video and ensure you watch to the end so you're not making any mistakes. And if you haven't subscribed already, like I said earlier, give this channel a subscription and hit the like button. So I'm going to be talking about a few coins, a few meme coins, and you can also do your research about meme coins and see how they are growing in the cryptocurrency market, right? So the first coin I'm going to be talking about is the keyboard card. So here at coin market cap, I'm just going to search on it and show you the market cap, the current price, and we can go deep into trading view to see the whole price action. So I'm just going to type in the coin. Keyboard cards, funny name, right? And this is it here, key cards. I'm just going to click on it. So this is keyboard cards, and these are its details. So basically its market cap is at $83, sorry, $83 million. That's its market cap, and one key card is about 84 cents, so 0.084. that is one key card. You can get it for $0.0084. So this is it. So you can basically do more research on it, but I'm going to be going to trading view to see the movement, its price action, and I can tell you more about this meme coin. So this is basically a meme coin. This is the first one at least, and I think it's going to do well. It has a lot of potential, and this keyboard card has been, it's not in like a brand meme coin. It's not like new. This meme coin is not a totally new meme coin. I think it launched sometime February or so of this year. So basically this is trading view and this is keyboard cards on my trading view, and I'm using a daily time frame. And as you can see, this is a good time to like buy some, because you want to buy the market when it is cheap. So when it is, this is a bit of a drawdown, but it's gonna go up here. So basically around this area here, just hold on. This area is a good buy. So I think basically it's gonna like hit here then go a little bit up. So basically when it comes to these markets, you want to buy it when it's really cheap and sell when it is expensive. So that's like the idea of you buying coins and holding it. So if you're gonna get into this, if you're gonna be putting money you can afford to lose, that is, you can get this coin. This is a good point, and basically the reason I'm suggesting this coin at this moment, because it is in a dip, so it's better for you to buy it when like it's like going down. Then when you see some market structure shifts, you can go ahead to buy in some units. Okay, so this is it for keyboard cards, and I think it's really it has some good potentials. Yeah, and let me see the whole price action. So you can see it's in an uptrend. This is bullish. This is September. This is October. This is November. So basically, it probably will hit here. It's gonna respect this resistance here and probably go up. Yeah. So basically, this is the first on our list, keyboard cards. So if you think you're looking for a meme coin and you can afford to risk some money, can go ahead to like invest in this. And I think meme coins are really going to do well, and I think the bull one is going to last for some more months. So this is a good time to buy these coins. And I know some of us didn't like before get the opportunity to buy before the bull run started, but it's not too late. It's not too late. I don't want you to like do this in a formal kind of style, but do your research properly, like make good research on coins. And I would also say don't do this in a formal style, but also do not miss this opportunity of making more money for yourself. Okay, so this is our first coin. So the next meme coin we're going to be analyzing is the higher coin. So I'm just going to go back to my coin market cap. So let's go. So we are back at coin market cap. So I'm going to go ahead to type in the second meme coin we'll be analyzing for this video. So it is a higher with this upward arrows. I'm just going to click on it. So this is it. So higher, this higher is at 0.035 dollars, which is 35 cents. Yeah, so one of the higher coin is at 0.035 dollars. Yeah, so his market cap is at 35 million dollars. So you see these are just um sub coins. They are like small coins that you can get started with to grow over time. So I want this data to load, but you can also check it using trading view. So let's head over to trading view to see the whole market movement here. So this is the chart for the higher coin, and it has a very the chart is kind of funny here, but let's analyze it together, right? So basically on the 10th, yeah, this movement here was on the this movement here was on the 8th of November. It went up, but it came down so fast. Okay, I think something happened here that it made this movement. But this is also another good potential meme coin. Is also a new coin, but not so new. I think also started within about the end of 2023, beginning of 2024. So also a good one. um I'm still like studying this deeply. The whole chart pattern is a bit confusing, but I would advise you like to keep your tabs on this higher. It has a lot of potential. I've made my research on it, and the higher ups are also putting staking a lot on this. Like the big boys in crypto, they are really like staking on it. So that's why like my tabs are on it. But for the charts, it's a bit not straightforward, I would say, not like the keycard I just analyzed. But for this, I think like you should just keep your tabs on it. But it has a lot of potential. We're gonna do probably so well this year and further. So let's just keep your tabs on it. It could do really, really well. So I'm gonna be giving you another coin, and this is gonna be the last coin before the end of the video, and it's gonna be the Sky Mask dog. So I'm just gonna go ahead to find it in my coin market cap. So we are back at coin market cap. So I'm just going to go ahead to search for the last coin for this video where we're going to be analyzing. So it's this Sky. Sorry. Sky Mask. Yeah, this is it here. So I'm just going to click on it. And this particular coin is doing so well already. Like really, I think this should be my top. Yeah. This has a lot of potential, and I'm definitely getting this meme coin here. It's at one Sky is at $0.04, and its coin market cap is $40. Okay, so basically this is a dog with a mask. I think this is where they got the idea of this coin from, is more of under the dog project, I guess. Okay, so I'm just going to be going to my trading view to see the market movement. So guys, this is the Sky Mask dog coin on trading view. This is the chart. So I saw this coin about 2 weeks ago when I was doing my research, and at about when I found this coin, I think it was around here. Yeah, sorry, it was here, and I was predicting it to come this level here before selling up, and it just did that. So yeah, and this is the daily chart, guys. And it has given us a bit of structure, so basically it's gonna definitely reach here and go up at some point. So this is another coin you can stake on. So it's probably gonna, if you want to, if you're like you don't want to like chase the market, it's probably gonna come down here. Hold on. Probably gonna come down here again, and if it does, and you really want to get some meme coins, you can go ahead to buy this coin. It really has a good potential. So guys, I just give you guys three very good meme coins that has a lot of potential, and I'm gonna be like going ahead to tell you some things about investing in the crypto market, especially this bull run. It's kind of very risky. You can't just get in. So guys, these are three meme coins. I think they are really gonna do so well, but I don't want you to like rush in. It's very important for you to do your proper research, get proper knowledge, seek good guidance before you go ahead to like invest in it. these markets can be really risky, but they also like provide a lot of opportunities in which you can make good money from. Honestly, I remember sometime in 2021, I got some coins for little amount, but the little amount really yielded me good returns. Honestly, so these are like really good opportunities. Crypto like is really gonna help a lot of people live the financial struggle they've been dealing with. That's if you do it right, but it's also gonna like burn some people. Honestly, so reason for this video just basically lets you know that like there's an opportunity for everyone, though some people might say it's like really late, though you don't want to buy now and things like that. That's true, but you also do not want to miss this opportunity. Honestly, if you're gonna do it, just ensure you do it right. Yeah, you can really do it right. Just make a lot of research on this topic, the whole crypto thing. Honestly, don't let this pass you by. The bull one, we don't know how long it's gonna last, but it's possible that it's gonna last for the next 6 months. Honestly, so you don't want to miss that. You don't want to miss the whole opportunity of making good amount of money. Do more research on meme coins, especially the meme coins. They are providing you with a lot of opportunity because they are really like cheap right now. They're really cheap. You can get a handful of it, hold it for a while and see the movement. So this is just my take on the crypto market. I will still be uploading and updating you on the whole meme coins movement and all that. So guys, all what I'm saying is that this market like provides a lot of opportunity. So like don't sleep on this. Make your research, make proper research. I'm gonna like emphasize on that because it's really important. You don't want to like get yourself burnt. No matter how small, invest. I will honestly advise you to like take the bold step to invest, but ensure you're like you can afford to lose what you're investing. Honestly, but no matter how little, put some money. You can get started now. Who knows? In the next 3 years, you're gonna be an expert at all this, right? So just get. You can get started. You can make a research on these three coins. I've just given you these three meme coins. I've given you do proper research on it. Get articles. Make more research on YouTube here too, and who knows, you can cash out from this. Honestly, you can. So guys, if you have any question or you want me to do more videos like this on particularly meme coins, me personally, I'm really interested in the meme coins because I think they're going to do really well. You can leave your comments in the comment section. Tell me what you think about the video, and if this video has helped you in any way, hit the subscribe button, give this channel a subscription. Yeah, and honestly, this is not like, what how they say it, rocket science. If you just calm down, make a research, you're gonna understand how the whole crypto thing works and can get started investing. So guys, this is the end of the video. I just really wanted to tell you guys that there's opportunity with the bull run right now and can get started with meme coins. So this is it, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.